We're coming up on 6:45, and there's a big heads up for your commute. 2 long-term closures kick in today.
Amy joins us here to break it all down.
Yeah, it's that time of the year, where construction season is really getting into full swing. So we want to give a heads up for drivers on the west side. First, we want to note the eastbound lanes of Renner Road closing today for roadway improvements. Those will be closed for 140 days, but just to note that westbound traffic will be maintained through that stretch. Then on the south side, the Gantz Road Bridge over 270 also set to close for the next 120 days. ODOT says this is all a part of a project. The first part was actually last season. That was along Macomb Road.
This is going to be essentially a major rehabilitation of the existing bridge structure. So they're going to completely remove and demolish the existing bridge deck, rebuild all of that. They're actually going to be widening it slightly because we're actually also constructing a shared use path across the bridge.
So a lot kicking in this week, and as these closures all go into place, drivers can expect many other projects to start to ramp up in the coming weeks, especially as we get into those warmer months. Tracy?
All right.